Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the new user code on an Amazon Basics keypad lock in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply enter your programming code on this particular keypad. After doing so, you just have to simply press this lock unlock button. So after pressing this lock unlock button, what you need to do is you need to simply press 1. Then you need to again press the lock unlock button. So this particular process is going to tell the lock that you want to create a new user code. So once this is done, you just have to do nothing but to just simply start typing your new user code that you want to set. So after entering the code, you just have to simply enter it once again. And once you entered the new code, you just have to also press this particular lock unlock button in order to basically save the change. Now, if the programming is successful, the lock should show you the green flash and emit the confirmation beeps. And this indicates that the new user code has been stored successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.